Ever been frustrated when you are attempting to scale a small account don't show any real progress? You will have tests very methods and still aren't see the growth you hope for? This video is exactly what you need. I will show you the strategy finally changed the game for me and it could shift your path as well. And I believe you can also do that with follow my instruction and I'm going to be laying down right here on this video. I've prepared something exclusive just for you. Stick around until the very end of the video and it will be blown away. Guys, this strategy comes with just 2 indicators, but let's start with that. Right Nash candle for chart types and time frame is 15 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna use only MACD and Williams R. You are used to with that 2 indicators. Williams, 12 on period, and this style. If you want to change this for 2 thickness, that's up to you. In MACD, we're gonna use 12, 13, and 8. And we're gonna change this color. All right, click on save. And now we are done with the setup and I hope you're getting it right. Let's start with that. All right, guys, so is that you need to put in consideration when Williams R indicators reach the overbought condition. In this case of a beta buy rate, MACD also have to be in the particular range. Okay, know that when Williams indicators is an overbought condition, the MACD has actually intersected a long time ago. I hope you are getting it right. I promise. I don't know whether you really understand, but after this trade, I'm going to explain it much more better. The next thing you always need to put into consideration is the consistency of your candles. The candles is pretty important, guys. Hope you are getting it right. All right. So as you can see right here, we make a very good amount of money right here, just using $20 for that. And I want to understand, I'm trying to say the first and foremost, immediately we win indicators, we got on the MACD is the same condition, overbought condition, okay? In this case of a buy trade, to ensure that crossings for MACD lines and at the same time on Williams, okay, that's good. So we got our first one, guys, $38 in the total, okay? So the important for us, all right? All those things I want you guys to put in the considerations has actually they're going to make a very good amount of money in the markets. So guys, I'm going to go in the market right now and find another opportunity. So let's go with that. And this strategy is just one of many that can transform your journey in this market. Okay, but don't stress. I've got this exclusive piece of content ready for you that will be essential for growth. You see me to the end. All right, guys, right here we're looking out for a very good opportunity for sell button right now. Okay, look this opportunity. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Okay? At this particular point. So all you can see, we have a consistency of the candlestick right at this particular level. So right here, let's aim for a sell trade right. Okay, so all you can see the market's reversing from this particular point. I always have consistency of the candlestick. Okay, on the MACD we got a crossing line. On the Williams R's we got this point to down. Okay, so this is why you need to always put in considerations and time you are trading this strategy. I hope you're getting it right. So I've said initially in the time you're trading this strategy, you need to ensure your trade when the market is consistent. Hope you are getting this. So those things are just what you need to put in consideration. Guys, before you know, we are going to be making consistent amount of money right in the market. So we got this first one. Again on this. The second win, we got $96. As you can see, that is pretty good money. And just follow all the instructions about this one. All right, guys, right here we're looking out for a buying opportunity again in the markets. We are expecting our candlesticks pretty much stable, right? It's particular points, the 2 candles are pretty much stable. So the position right. Okay, so the reasons why we're taking this trade is pretty much simple. The first thing we consider right, Williams are. Okay, our Williams indicators is the overbought condition. And if you could see the right here, our MACD line intersects along with the Williams in the same time. I hope you're getting right, guys. We also have the consistency of our candlestick right at particular point, which also gives us a very good condition to enter trade. Alright, so right here, guys, we got 15 seconds toward the end of this trade. Okay, so let's wait and see how this trade will turn out to be. And that is looking like that's pretty good for us, okay? Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. So, as you can see, guys, we make a very good profits right here. Okay, $86. We got almost $104 in the total. I hope you're getting it right, guys. So this is, I'm going to stop on this video. I believe you were learning something. And if you do, ensure to give us a like and put and subscribe to the channel. So right now, if you're here, subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you're the first person to get a notification anytime I release a new video. Not only that, guys, if you find this video much more helpful for you, to ensure to share this with your friends. Bye bye, guys, have a good one and see you around.